back. I am so glad you're here. I'm Coach Julia, and today we are going to be learning our backward inside pivots. Pivots are a super fun artistic move. They're a great flair move to put in your programs. Now, there are two different styles of backward, both backward inside and backward outside. I love backward outsides, but they're harder to do, so we're going to start with the backward inside pivot. Now, the entrance to this is an outside 3-turn. So if you haven't learned your outside 3 turns yet, you want to watch that video. Go back, practice those outside 3 turns, and then come back to this move. I'll post a link to my outside 3-turn tutorial up above and in the description down below, so it's easy for you to find. But if you've already learned your forward outside 3 turns, we're ready to get started. So I like to rotate counterclockwise. If you like to rotate clockwise, just reverse these directions. But it is a good idea to know how to do your pivots both ways. It's not required, okay? It's just fun, and it's great to work into choreography if you know both directions of pivots. For today, we are going to rotate counterclockwise. So I'm going to start with a left, forward, outside 3-turn, okay? Left foot in front on my forward outside edge. Looks like that, okay? You can see now that puts me on my inside edge at the end of that 3-turn, okay? So I start on the left forward outside and on the left back inside. So I'm already ready to pivot. That 3-turn sets me up perfectly on the inside edge. So from this nice check position of our pivot, this back foot, the right foot, I'm going to rotate it from pointing down towards the ice to pointing so that the heel looks at my gliding foot. Let me show you that with some movement. So I go 3-turn. My extended foot needs to turn, so I look like a pirate, okay? That heel looks at your gliding foot, right? So you're gonna practice that a little bit. It makes it so that the pivot looks a lot more elegant if you can work on that, and it's much more proper form, okay, to have that the heel pointing at your gliding foot. So we go 3-turn, check out, turn your right heel in, so you get that pirate position, and then your toe hits the ice and you rotate in a beautiful T position. So we want that, a nice T position with our pivot the entire time. While you're doing this 3-turn, you want to have really good posture through your torso and your hips. If your hips kind of go out any funny way, well, it looks bad, but it also gives you a lot less support and strength during the pivot. So if you go into your pivot and your hips go out, you've got no push, right? You lose all the good momentum that you got because it's all lost in your hips, all right? You want to keep those hips up strong because it helps your whole body have good momentum around the pivot. So once you drop those toes in, keep those hips up nice and tall and elongate through your entire body. It'll look nice and it keeps the momentum going through your body. So you're in your pivot position here, okay? Toe pick nice in the ice. You got that nice T position, good structure through your hips, your upper body, nice pretty arms. Now what do? You're stuck. How are you gonna get out? Well, we have to check out. Now, if you know how to do any kind of spin, we're doing the same check out as a spin. It's also the same check position as from a waltz jump or a sow cow or anything like that. So this pivoting foot, your heel is gonna drop down on the ice. You're gonna push off of your gliding foot, and that gliding foot goes behind you into a check position, okay? Let me try that again. You can see it. So we're in our pivot position, our heel drops down, you push back off of your gliding foot into a check. So let's put this move all together. We're gonna start with our outside 3-turn. Turn that heel in, drop it down into the ice, rotate around as many times as you can, drop that heel, and check out into our finishing checked position. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed that one. That's just such a beautiful showcase kind of move. You could put at the end of your program or at the beginning. It's fun to have a couple of those beautiful gliding maneuvers in your bag of tricks. So practice it. And of course, I'd love to see all your practice videos, so you can tag me on Instagram. If you enjoyed this, please do give us a thumbs up. And of course, I always look forward to reading all your comments in the section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.